Explain the composition of flip books. The right part is the hanger and the palette, wireless keyboard and mouse, audio, host, projector, sensor module, and wire. Then there are pages and modes. This tray is loaded on top of this. Fasten with screws and 4 small screws. The space above the tray is used to place the main unit and speakers. Hole slots in the tray for wire connection to the projector. Then let's look at the wiring part of the host. First of all, the audio cable needs to be connected to the mic interface and connected to the speaker through a split line. Connect the speaker to the power adapter to supply power to the speaker. The second cable connected to the host computer is the HDMI cable connected to the projector. The leftmost area is the USB interface. The white one is a wireless network card, which is used to connect to Wi-Fi and the external network. This is the USB extension cable for the camera. This is a USB extension cable for the receiver connection of the wireless mouse and keyboard. This gray one is a USB to R12 serial port, plus a female-to-female extension directly connected to the projector. This is the dongle of the software. The projector connection is HDMI RS232 and power line. The claws are attached to the back of the projector. Then the sensing module fixes the claw and connects to the projector. Connect the USB cable from the sensor module to the computer. The other is the power cord connected to a 3 volts to ampere power adapter power supply. The last is the switch of the wireless remote control, and there is a remote control powered by equipment behind the host. Start the whole device with one key on and off. Press once to start the whole device, and the indicator light of the main unit will light up after startup. Turn on the computer first and then start the projector. If it is a foreign project, there will be adapters and adapter cables in the package you receive. After waiting for 1 to 2 minutes, the projector will hear a beep to indicate that it is starting up. You can see that the device has successfully started and is projecting. Next, I will show you how to turn off the device. It is also controlled by the remote control switch. Point the remote control at the host and press the switch. Both the projector and the computer will be turned off with one click. Only one press is required each time the button is pressed. Do not press and hold continuously. Press once and wait to start or close it.